Hey Mammy, another quick tutorial. Just going to show you how to add a new page to the website real quick. We'll first add one that shows up in this menu over here. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the control panel, and the first thing you want to do is go to the text areas, and you want to create a new, and I'm just going to make a bogus one. Doesn't have to be anything. We'll write a new text area. Let's call it bogus page. I'm going to call it a page. It's really just a text area. But this is the area of the new page. Hello. Yeah, we'll just put that in there. I want it to appear in the menu. Let me look back which one I want it to be after I jump back to the website. I want to put it in between packing and testimonials is where I have it appear. So I need to know that kind of when I'm getting started in here. So I look over here on this side and I see where packing is. And testimonials, one of them's 161, one of them's 500. So I'm just I can give it a number of anything in between there to get it to show in between there. So I'm just going to say 170, I guess. So list order number of 170. I don't have a picture yet, so that I want to associate with it. So I'm going to put none JPEG. You always got to put something in here. I always put none JPEG in there if you don't have anything. I do want it to show in that menu, so I've got to click this to get it to show in the menu. And if I want to show that picture, which it's a blank picture now, I click this. Anyway, I'm going to insert that. Now I have this new web page. I'm going to go back to the website, and it's not here yet, but when I refresh my screen, you get the new bogus page here, and when you click it, it takes you to the page where it would show up over here on the left hand side. So that's pretty much the easy way of doing that. I'll show you something else real quick. I'm going to go back and edit that page now. That's one way to get the link to the page. You can put it in there. If you don't want it to be in that area, you can link to it from some other place. For example, I'm going to go to the mission statement page we were working with earlier, and I'm going to click edit on that, and I'm going to add a link to the bogus page in this area here for you. Okay. So I'm just going to go in here and put it blank space. I'm going to jump to the window, back to the control panel window. I have open another panel. Click on the advanced text page that has all the little code snippets we can use. And I'm going to get that read more thing we used earlier. Right click that and copy it. And I'm going to go back to where I'm editing it on the missions page. I'm going to paste that information here. And I'm going to change that information again. It's called, what was it, bogus page? Jump and look real quick. It is called, bogus page. So that's what I want to, I've already copied this, so I want to change this information here where it says the text 10 equals to bogus plus, I think it's a small p. Let me double check. Yeah, it's a capital P. Okay, it's got to be exact. So I'm going to change this back to page. Okay. And I'm just going to put in front of it ... and click this. Okay, and I'm going to update it. And now if I go back, we have it over here in this, but say we didn't want it to appear over here, we could turn that off. I'll do that in just a second, but I want to first go to the mission statement page where I just added another link, and see I got a breadcrumb trail taking me to it now. Click this. And when I click that, it takes me to the same page. So you can create a text area, and then you can use it as a page and add it to this menu over here. Or you can use it like we just did in text areas as a read more link. Or you can do one other option if we don't want it to appear in the menu, but just in the read more links. We can go back over here to this, edit, and I want to take it off of that menu. Oh, that's the mission statement. Hold on. Wrong one. I need to be in bogus page. Go here to bogus page. And I want to take it out of the menu. So I just go down here and uncheck this box here. Takes it out of the menu. Like I said, if I had a photo I want to put here in Associate, I can do that, but I'm going to update that. And as I go back to the site here, I'll refresh this page and it'll disappear from our menu. So there you go. There's creating a new page, putting it in this expandable menu, taking it out of the expandable menu, and if you don't want to put it in the menu and just want a breadcrumb link to it on another page, we showed you how to do that from the mission statement entry, which will basically we put a little click this link here. Okay, so there's several ways you can add new content to your website. Hope that's helpful.